Don't think of starting an online business today if you don't know these 3 key things I'm about to share in this video. Now, watch this video till the very end and don't skip the process, cause you know what? The last point is very key. Hey there, you're welcome to the video. It's Victor here and thanks for joining. If you're new to the channel, do also subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with us and helping us grow over time. I'm glad you made it to this video today. You would agree with me that in today's economy, you can't afford to live or survive on just one source of income due to the high cost of living, and the standard of living in our society today is constantly rising. However, you can create multiple streams of income from the comfort of your home with just your laptop, your smartphone, and an internet connection. How amazing is that? But here's the thing. Making money online is not just an option anymore, but a necessity. But before you jump in, here are 3 key things to look out for when starting an online business or a side hustle. Legitimacy. Ensure that the business you're about to start is real and legit. The internet is full of opportunities and also full of scams. So before committing your time and money, ensure to carry out thorough research. Look for proofs, check reviews, and don't fall for deals that promise you millions overnight. I mean, like get-rich-quick schemes and all those kind of things. Those things will only land you in premium tiers. If the business is not transparent, walk away. That will save you a lot of stress and premium tiers. Skills. Your biggest online asset is you. Don't just chase every trend. Focus on areas that align with your skill, the one you're willing to learn. For example, if you're good at writing, try freelancing. If you're good at creativity, if you're good at design, try graphic design. If you're good at directing something relating to videos, try video editing. If you're good at communication, building relationship with people, community building, then try social media marketing or digital marketing. These areas align with your skill set, the one you can learn, unlearn, and relearn, and stay happy doing what you love doing. Skills are what turn online opportunities into consistent income. Last but not the least, if you made it to this very part of the video, you should consider subscribing to this channel already. Do well to like, let me know what you think in the comment section below before I share this very last point. Remember, I promised I was going to leave the best for the last. Alright, so sustainability. A real business should grow with you. Now ask yourself, can this business or side hustle pay me in the next 6 months or 1 year? Or is it just a one-time thing? Now, if it's just a one-time thing, it's probably a gig or some contract or something. That's not a consistent stream of income, right? That being said, now get this. Quick wins are great, but long-term income are better, all right? And that's the difference between extra cash and true financial freedom. Now, if you're thinking of starting your online journey today, remember, do your thorough research, build your skills, and go for something that lasts. Not just a one-time thing, but something that is sustainable, something that can pay the bills over and over and over again. Because the internet has money waiting, but only those who are prepared for it can actually earn it. Now, whether it's freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, or even remote tasks, the truth is, the internet is full of opportunities, but if only you're ready to put in the work, you can get the larger piece of it. Now, it's okay to start small, but stay consistent. And always remember this, online income is built, not wished for. I haven't made it to this very part of the video. If you'd like me to share practical income opportunities, do all to drop a comment. Like this video, share this video to as many persons as you can so we can reach as many persons as we possibly can. Alright, thank you for helping us grow over time. Thank you for sticking with us. And follow me for more tips on how to build real online income streams. See you on the next one. Peace.